Welcome to Bike Sphere, where we dive deep into the latest in the world of motorcycles. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Hero Xpulse 421, an exciting dirt bike that promises thrilling off-road performance. Let's break down what makes this machine stand out from the crowd. Design and durability. Hero has given the Xpulse 421 a tough, adventure-ready design. The lightweight yet durable frame is paired with long travel suspension that can handle everything from rocky paths to muddy trails. The bike's aggressive styling is built for function, with reinforced bodywork designed to endure harsh riding conditions while keeping the rider comfortable. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Hero Xpulse 421 lies a 421 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, delivering an impressive power output that balances torque and responsiveness for both trails and rugged terrains. This powertrain is designed to offer smooth acceleration while keeping you in full control, whether you're navigating tight trails or tackling steep inclines. Technology and features. This dirt bike doesn't skimp on technology either. Equipped with advanced features like a fully digital instrument cluster, LED lighting, and a smart traction control system, the Xpulse 421 ensures you get the most out of your ride, no matter the conditions. The bike also comes with a high ground clearance, perfect for navigating uneven terrains with ease. Off-road capabilities. The Xpulse 421 is built for off-road enthusiasts, with a high-performance suspension system that absorbs the toughest bumps and jumps. Coupled with its 21-inch front wheel and 18-inch rear wheel, the bike offers excellent stability on unpredictable surfaces. Whether you're conquering rocky mountain paths or sandy trails, this bike has the versatility and power you need. Conclusion. To sum it up, the 2025 Hero Xpulse 421 brings a powerful engine, advanced features, and rugged design to the world of dirt bikes. Whether you're an experienced rider or an off-road newbie, it's a machine that promises both reliability and excitement. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Sphere for more bike reviews and news.